I nominated Jessica Irwin for Teacher of the Month because she works at Community Youth Services, which is a school in the Richmond Community Schools that works with the most vulnerable of our students, students who are struggling behaviorally, academically, students who may be disconnected in some way. And these students attend Community Youth Services from elementary level all the way up through the intermediate level and receive services on academics as well as behavioral strategies to help them be successful. And Jessica has a unique ability to work with these young people and to make them feel connected again and make them feel loved and make them feel that they can achieve. And that's one of the unique aspects of public schools, is public schools work with all segments of the population.
Yes, here at CYS we service K through 12. Jessica services our kindergarten students and our first grade students. She has maybe 5 or 6 students right now, and that can change based on how many kids we get here.
Well, it's kind of a journey that I've been on. I've been teaching for over 30 years, and I got a call from Richmond Community Schools to see if I would come and work at C.R. Richardson. So I was thrilled, so I packed up all my supplies and started teaching at C.R. Richardson and taught there for about 11 to 12 years. Felt like I was giving more and doing more for these kids. I kind of started seeing my little niche of what type of students that I really like to work with. So of course we all know that C.R. Richardson was closed. So I was trying to debate where I wanted to go. And I heard that there was an opening over here at the Community Youth Service Program.
She helps us do the reading, and she helps us do sounding out words and blends, and helping us know our ABCs and our vowels.
I found a challenge that I haven't had for a long, long time. Instead of sitting there reading and drilling reading and math in their head, we do a lot of behavior and working on how to get along, how do we handle different situations that come our way. So working here at Community Youth Services is exciting, thrilling, and hopefully helping a lot of the other teachers. So when their children come here, they can teach a little bit easier in their classroom, and we can get their students to learn a few skills to get along and then send them back, and hopefully we won't have them return.